everyone, welcome back to another week of Techy Tuesday. In this week's video, I'll be explaining Google Chrome extensions, how to access them, and how to find them in the Google Store. If you are not familiar with Google Chrome extensions, essentially what they are small software programs that enhance or modify the functionality of the Chrome browser. As you can see here, they can do quite a bit depending on the type of extension that you have, but essentially they're made to make your life easier and to make it quicker to access certain programs. As you can see in the top right corner, I have these extensions here. When I click on this little extension button, this pop-up will show that I have 4 different extensions saved, but only 3 of them are pinned. To pin an extension, you would click on this little thumbtack and it pins it here to the very top so you can always see it. As you can see, I don't have this birthday calendar export pinned, but I'm able to see it when I click on this extension button. I'm going to go down and click on Manage Extensions. I can then again see all the extensions that I have. I'm able to see the details or remove the extension. But what I want to show you is this Discover More Extensions and Themes on the Chrome Web Store. When I click on the Chrome Web Store, I'm able to see all of these extensions here, and there are so many. So depending on what exactly you're needing help with, I could click on Communication. They have different mail extensions, education like Google Translate. If you are someone that uses Google Translate a lot, I could use it and pin it here to the very tops and always have access to it. Even in art and design, there's a lot of art and design, image downloaders, photo editors in here. Again, depending on what you're looking for. Entertainment, this is a fun one, but Teleparty. You can watch Netflix, YouTube, Disney, any sort of streaming with someone else over the web. Let's say if you are FaceTiming or Zooming with someone long distance, you'd be able to watch it at the same exact time. They even have little games in here that you could save up there. There are a lot of different ones inside of shopping. For example, Honey, this is more of a personal use one, but when you're online shopping, Honey will pop up with any discounts or savings that you can have on each of the different sites. The social networking ones, travel, well-being, and workflow and planning, I like to show people here at the very top. For example, if you use Zoom quite a lot, you can schedule Zoom meetings directly from Google Calendar. Now, one that is very popular with real estate agents is hunter.io. This is an email finder extension. You can find email addresses from anywhere on the web with just one click. For example, if I were to go to any company business page, I'm just going to use USAA as an example. I can then go up here and click on my pinned extension, which is Hunter. And this is going to pull up with any emails that it's able to find from inside of this website. So typically it's going to pull up anyone, especially the higher up people, senior vice president, executive assistants, and so on. This is awesome just to find someone's phone number or email or even LinkedIn account. There's a LinkedIn button here. Please make sure you are always complying with all of the TCPA laws as well as the do not call list. Make sure that you're protecting yourself. I also like to show people this Facebook birthday exporter. This will allow you to save your friends' birthdays from Facebook to your favorite calendar and never miss them again. So for example, when I get into Facebook, I can then go up to the very top right and I can click on birthday calendar export. And then from here, you're able to save the birthdays as different files, or you can view them as a calendar link. Either way, this is awesome if you just want to keep a list on hand of everyone's birthdays. Another super cool tip is you can also make these extensions into keyboard shortcuts. So if you're really savvy with the keyboard and you are very quick with using technology, I could, for example, make this hunter.io extension a shortcut by setting the parameters down here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned for next week's video. We'll be showing you more tips and tricks inside of Google Chrome. Stay tuned.